Ever booked that dream vacation only to find out the final cost was way higher than expected due to hidden exchange rate fees? You're not alone. Many travelers get stung by unexpected costs when using their regular bank cards abroad. But what if there was a way to travel with peace of mind, knowing exactly how much you're spending in your own currency? That's where YouTrip comes in. But how exactly do you know what exchange rate YouTrip is using? Let's dive in. YouTrip is a popular travel wallet that allows you to spend in 150-plus currencies while locking in competitive exchange rates. But understanding how these rates work is crucial. Knowing your exchange rate helps you budget effectively. You can accurately predict your travel expenses and avoid overspending. Compare and save. You can compare YouTrip's rates to other options like your bank or credit card and choose the most cost-effective method. Travel with confidence. Knowing your exact costs eliminates the fear of unexpected charges and ensures you're getting the best deal. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How do you actually find out the YouTrip exchange rate? There are a few ways. In-app display. The simplest method: open your YouTrip app. Look for the exchange rates section. This usually displays live rates for popular currencies. You can easily compare rates for different currencies and track how they fluctuate. Currency converter. Most travel apps, including YouTrip, have built-in currency converters. You can input the amount you want to convert and instantly see the equivalent in your desired currency. This helps you understand how much your local currency is worth in your travel destination. YouTrip website. Visit the official YouTrip website. They often publish a list of current exchange rates or have a dedicated rate checker tool. This can be helpful if you're planning your trip in advance and want to get an idea of the expected costs. It's important to understand that exchange rates are constantly fluctuating. Several factors influence these rates, including global economic conditions, interest rates, inflation, and political stability in both your home country and your destination can impact exchange rates. Market demand and supply. The demand for a particular currency can significantly affect its value. For example, if many tourists are traveling to a specific country, the demand for that country's currency will increase, potentially driving up its value. Central bank interventions. Central banks can intervene in the currency market to stabilize exchange rates or achieve specific economic goals. Now that you know how to find your YouTrip exchange rate, here are a few tips to maximize your savings. Check rates regularly. Exchange rates fluctuate constantly. Monitor rates in the YouTrip app or on their website to identify favorable exchange periods. Utilize YouTrip's rewards program. Many travel wallets, including YouTrip, offer rewards programs. Earn points on your spending and redeem them for discounts or cashback. Avoid ATM withdrawals. ATM withdrawals often come with hefty fees and unfavorable exchange rates. Use your YouTrip card for in-store purchases or contactless payments whenever possible. Plan your spending in advance. By budgeting and tracking your expenses, you can avoid overspending and make the most of your travel budget. With YouTrip, you can travel with confidence, knowing exactly how much you're spending and minimizing unexpected costs. By understanding how to find and interpret exchange rates, you can make informed decisions and enjoy a more affordable and stress-free travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.